so-called petitioner Sushant, that he would be of that mindset that he will take the benefit of her adolescence benefit. Sir, she was not aware that he can do crime under POCSO of section 3 and 4. And sir, here the after reject, sir.
But before being facts, she was more than adolescent.
But sir, Mr. Sushant, who is 28 years old, sir, he was aware of the adverse consequences of this relationship. But then even he accepted the proposal. Sir, is that there was no
Sir, we have one rebuttal. We didn't state that it was a valid marriage, but thank you for stating that it was a void marriage, and we hence want the Honorable High Court to revoke PCLA from our allegation.
Coming to the point that the High Court order was not an absolute immunity. It was not a shield, it was not an immunity, but it was granting them the protection from their own parents, right? So it was not absolute, but did not grant to misuse for revenge tool as well. So facts of the case says for saving her life, it was given to in her favor. Right?
not only respondent goes to the High Court, also petitioner, Mr. Sushant.
Both, yes, both had the birthright under Article 21.
So
This was their fundamental right, no, to be exercised.
So
Who
who
got
hired the co-counsel Mr. Singh to appear on behalf of them?
both of
It
them?
was Mr. Sushant.
No, it is written. They both approached Singhvi.
My question is how the child below 18, her consent can be valid only.
Her consent means you mean to say a minor cannot reach an advocate for her safety,
No,
right? And she can reach police station for filing an FIR, right?
She went with her
Yes,
guardian.
this is
She
what
went
I am
with her-
saying.
She didn't go went alone. She went with her guardian.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I'd like to highlight, please read Devuji Nair versus State of Kerala. It is a Supreme Court judgment which states that minority of age should not lead to dismissal and denial of protection. Minority can lead to protection, and it was a landmark case where interfaith and intercaste couples were given police protection in I'm saying you are questioning whether the protection can be given to minor or not. I'm saying refer to Devuji Nair versus State of Kerala. It is a Supreme Court judgment which is particularly related to the fact that the social realities faced by interfaith and intercaste couples, including stigma, coercion, and real imminent threat to their life from society or family, are arising from the exercise of their right to choose partner. In such cases, High Court should grant ad interim police protection while not questioning the validity between the relationship between the parties. It is a landmark judgment. Also, no interference, no undue influence over the free will of the individual can be exercised. Herein, Nazia ki will pe High Court was not right to put undue influence or undermine her choices.
Court advised to you addressed only the court, not to the discussion between the both parties.
Sir, we placed our facts that it was an instigated complaint against the petitioner. And as per section 16 of POCSO Act, I demand her parents to make the party or in the case for answering inconsistencies and clarity to be brought, and if they found guilty, then demand a punishment also for instigating a minor girl, maybe because of collusion or because of honor killing threat. Thank you.
So here it is not ever mentioned that parents said anything for honor killing or to do the murder of the parties. Sir, it was Mr. Sushant and Miss Nazia who was in the fear that the parents of Miss Nazia can do the honor killing. So they approached the court. But sir, the court only gave the protection under Article
Sir.
21. Sir, they didn't immune them from further legal consequences or legal action that Mr. Sushant can do. Sir, the court was not aware that Mr. Sushant is of that malified dementia that he can further do offences under POCSO and PCMA. So the court only granted protection under Article 21 for honor killing.
Sir, may I proceed in the matter? Sir, this was not the illusionary threat. It was a threat for which the Nazia and Sushant, they both present their application before the Honorable High Court and demanded protection for their lives. So it is not an illusion under which she first reached High Court and stated something against her parents, and then she reached in the police station and then she gave statements against Sushant. So she is having a bouncing and fluctuating statements all there. There are major inconsistencies to be detected, and which is basically are not making the foundations facts for these relevant sections which are being imposed on my client, Sushant.
Adding to the point, in the facts of the case, it is written that family threatened of adverse